Hey everybody, today is April 5th and today we're going to look at Ethereum's price and whether it can continue going higher and break above this Fibonacci level around 2200 or whether we're going to pull back and retest this 50-day simple moving average at around 17 to 1800. But before we begin, please read this disclaimer and you can pause this video as you read it. Okay, so last week I talked about how I expect Ethereum to break above 2500 all the way up here by the end of April, right? And right now it looks like we're building enough momentum to break to that level at the end of this month. But we first, of course, need to break through 2200, which is this Fibonacci line area here, right? And Fibonacci usually acts as either resistance or support, right? In this case, it acted as resistance, and we kind of trended this line for a couple of days, for a couple of days before pushing up higher, and then we eventually came down and tested this as support again before going up higher, right? And also these moving averages, I love it when there's confluence of different indicators, right? These Fibonacci line and the simple day, or 50-day, which is the silver line here, the 50-day simple moving average. When these things come together and you find support, then that just gives you more conviction, right? If the price is able to hold this level. And you can see this epic wick right here. We came all the way down and still we closed above the Fibonacci line. So this is when I was super bullish. And of course, it followed through with this huge bullish engulfing candle. And that was very bullish. And at that moment, I knew Ethereum was going to go up a lot higher. Of course, we came down and retested the 50-day again, but we held that as support and we pushed up higher. So I'm expecting us to find some resistance around here, but then eventually we'll push up higher like we did over here. So next step to me, in my opinion, is 2200, right? Over the weekend, we had a bit of low volume, especially with Bitcoin, and Ether generally will follow Bitcoin, right? Alts generally will follow Bitcoin, but right now we do have a bit of resistance above 2100, but I think we push up, come down, we test, and then we can push up higher. So that's what I'm looking for within the next couple of days, and I'll definitely update you on Wednesday and see if we're able to break through by then. But for now, in my opinion, I think we go sideways before pushing up higher, building that energy and momentum like we did here. So overall, very bullish on Ethereum. Next step is this level, 2200, and then eventually 2500 by April's end, right? Looking at the weekly chart, looking very bullish, right? We consolidated in this area, but it's looking like it wants to break out, right? Form the base and we break out, right? Form a base and we break out. So yes, again, overall, very bullish on Ethereum as long as we hold above this 50-day, which is our short-term, the silver line here, the short-term moving average. If Bitcoin does come down, it likely will take Ether down. If Bitcoin continues to go sideways, we'll likely see Ether go sideways as well, and then eventually push up higher. As long as we hold this 50-day moving average line, very bullish going forward. So, of course, higher lows and higher highs, looking very good for the price of Ether. So, that's it. I'll update you again on Wednesday. Looking forward, and hopefully we'll break through 2200 and this Fibonacci level by then. If you found this video useful, please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for updates. Thank you so much, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you.